What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best VR headsets that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Meta Quest 3 stands out as a remarkable and state-of-the-art device, representing a significant evolution from its predecessor. Meta has incorporated a multitude of enhancements that collectively result in a seamless and immersive VR experience, establishing the Quest 3 as one of the most comprehensive VR headsets on the market. A standout improvement is the display, with the Meta 3 boasting an impressive resolution of 2064 by 2208 pixels per eye, a remarkable 30% increase from the previous model. This enhancement translates into razor-sharp visuals, distinct edges, and stunning clarity, elevating the gaming experience to new heights. Compared to the slightly fuzzy and unfocused visuals of the Meta 2, the third iteration delivers crisp images that contribute to an immersive experience. In addition to the high-resolution screen, the Meta 3 has made significant strides in its controller system. The redesigned controllers are smaller, more ergonomic, and feature soft-touch buttons arranged in an intuitive layout for effortless navigation within virtual environments. The motion tracking capabilities of the controllers have also been noticeably improved, enabling rapid and precise in-game movements. The physical design of the headset has not been overlooked, maintaining the same weight as the previous model but with a revamped structure for better weight distribution, enhancing comfort during extended use. The modern and ergonomic design reflects Meta's commitment to continuous improvement. The Meta Quest 3 delivers top-notch performance at a compelling price-to-quality ratio, making it the ultimate choice for consumers. For those considering an investment in VR headsets, the Meta Quest 3 offers a comprehensive blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design, solidifying its position as a standout in the VR market. The Valve Index stands as the pinnacle of PC VR headsets, setting new standards in virtual reality immersion. Boasting a cutting-edge design, this headset introduces a remarkable resolution of 1440 by 600 pixels per eye, surpassing competitors like the Oculus Rift S. Equipped with LCD screens featuring a full RGB matrix, the Valve Index delivers a sharp and contrast-rich image, virtually eliminating the notorious screen door effect from earlier generations. One of the standout features is the variable frame rate capability, reaching up to an impressive 144 Hz. Users can seamlessly transition between 80, 90, 120, or 144 Hz via the Steam VR menu, enhancing precision in games like Beat Saber without requiring a restart. The clarity offered by the Valve Index becomes evident in VR games, providing a transformative leap in detail, especially in titles like Skyrim VR. Comfort is prioritized through a headband design similar to the HTC Deluxe audio strap, making the Valve Index notably lighter and more comfortable for extended use. The integrated ear speakers, positioned strategically near the ears, offer exceptional sound quality, enhancing the overall immersive experience. Completing the package are the innovative Valve Index controllers, featuring practicality and flexibility with an analog stick. The vibrant colors, compelling visuals, and impressive immersion make the Valve Index a top choice for VR enthusiasts seeking a premium experience, albeit at a higher price point. With its advanced features and exceptional performance, the Valve Index cements its status as a leader in the world of PC VR headsets. The HTC Vive Pro 2 stands as an indisputable contender for the title of the best high-resolution VR headset available, catering to both professional and casual VR users. It boasts compatibility with Steam VR, akin to the Valve Index, as well as HTC's VivePort ecosystem, offering users a versatile range of experiences. The Vive Pro 2 delivers some of the most impressive resolution and visual clarity seen in a consumer VR headset, providing a premium experience that comes with a commensurate price tag, necessitating additional investment in base stations and compatible controllers. Design-wise, the Vive Pro 2 closely mirrors its predecessor, the Vive Pro, albeit with a darker color scheme and a black exterior reminiscent of the Vive Cosmos. The front panel combines the original Vive's dotted pattern for position tracking with outward-facing cameras akin to the Vive Cosmos for environmental tracking. Adjustable buttons facilitate optimal focus and interpupillary distance alignment. The built-in ear cups are adjustable, providing comfort and swiveling options for ambient sound. Gaming on the Vive Pro 2 is nothing short of remarkable, offering a top-tier VR experience with greater detail and cleaner edges compared to the Valve Index. The Steam VR interface shines with easily readable text, pop-up menus, and vivid, sharp virtual environments. With connectors for power, a mini display port, and USB 3.0 on the back panel, the Vive Pro 2, based on its remarkable gaming experience, is a quality product that comes highly recommended for those seeking the pinnacle of VR technology. The Meta Quest Pro emerges as the epitome of comfort and technological prowess in the realm of VR headsets. A true marvel, this mixed reality headset is equipped with a robust Snapdragon XR2 Plus processor, a substantial 12 GB of RAM, and an impressive 256 GB of storage. With these specifications, the Meta Quest Pro effortlessly handles all Oculus Quest 2 games. One of its standout features is the innovative Color Pass feature, coupled with strategically placed gaps on the side and bottom of the headset. This design allows for a seamless real-world view, even amidst the most immersive VR experiences. Sporting a sleek all-black exterior, the Meta Quest Pro distinguishes itself from its predecessor, the Oculus Quest 2, with a refined design. Notably, the strap has undergone a significant upgrade, replacing the elastic strap of the Quest 2 with a plastic one akin to the optional Elite strap of older models. The Meta Pro strap features additional padding for enhanced comfort and an adjustable wheel for a snug yet comfortable fit. In a novel design twist, the headset's battery is housed within the strap, ensuring balanced weight distribution across the head. Differing significantly from the VR-exclusive Quest 2, the Meta Pro's front pad is designed to offer a clear view of the real world from the sides and bottom of the headset. This feature enhances the mixed reality experience by providing a sense of continuity and context, making virtual creations appear more realistic. The redesigned controllers, now with a built-in rechargeable battery and improved hand tracking feature, mark significant steps forward in VR technology quality, making the Meta Quest Pro a standout choice for those seeking the ultimate mixed reality experience. The PlayStation VR2 heralds a new era in the realm of console VR headsets, representing a significant leap forward from its predecessor. While commanding a higher price, this advanced device offers exceptional value with a host of high-end features and superior performance. At the core of the PlayStation VR2 is its 4K OLED display, enhanced by HDR technology, delivering a truly immersive visual experience. With a wide 110 degrees field of view and integrated tracking cameras, the headset incorporates eye tracking functionality, setting it apart in terms of interactivity. The inclusion of Sony's advanced Sense controllers, lauded for adaptive triggers and haptic feedback, adds a layer of sophistication, building on the success of the DualSense controller for the PlayStation 5. To harness the full power of the console, the PlayStation VR2 requires a PS5 connection via a single USB-C cable, enabling graphics that surpass standalone headsets like the Meta Quest 2. Its capabilities even rival or surpass pricier PC VR headsets such as Valve's Index and HP's Reverb G2, positioning the PlayStation VR2 at the forefront of console VR technology. Aesthetically, the headset continues the sleek black and white design, harmonizing with the PS5. The adjustable straps separate from the VR screen ensure a comfortable fit for various head shapes, with the weight resting on the head instead of the face, enhancing overall comfort during extended use. The unique one-point adjustment mechanism facilitates a perfect fit, and a standout feature is a slider for quick interpupillary distance adjustments, measured by an internal camera. Packed with features that set it apart, the PlayStation VR2 excels in eye tracking, hand tracking facilitated by tracking rings, and even limited finger tracking, establishing itself as a compelling choice in the competitive landscape of VR technology.